or contested be. And a permanent in Komo Kakrana. Young Queen. Good morning. Hello, Nabotimenka.
Akoma FM.
Hello, Honorable.
7.9 Kumasi.
Hello.
Honorable, good morning.
Morning.
My no say a more crab from Akoma 87.9 from Asante Mantemha. Honorable no pay and Koma ye did Yamaya Frewe in Samoa a PA ye war Bantama constituency. We share delegates and come on and some of the elements in some by any be former Chief Justice and the member of Parliament Dema Bantama Senso in your statement and as once Makano can say or Moko Naive Afansa CB and exactly what you said no pay you need to 4% your TSC na
you see any media for the mo chia enipa no say o say whether you say oni asenso akonaibo. No, that is not what I meant. And I said they say Emisa Chief Justice na me there to come out say assassin na mafu san if you na no tibuno e dey na esi. What I'm saying is in fact Chief Justice and the raise the state asenso say o mano emfa sa if you know if you say a judicial service.
87.9 Kumasi.
The Chief Justice went extra mile by appealing even to national security to come in say adiano asenso you know and yet they will answer or the enkofo baswa o mafa ayina wo musi edan. So I was expecting say the car thank Chief Justice to super because say onu de onimu hohwe na say DC. But the way a man for cry interpret here, you know, almost say ni American no just say Chief Justice he say need the money also cast what could I believe Chief Justice rather resisted asenso say o manon fa ade no na judicial service here obema another Supreme Court judge akotra and asenso did not. And it's open secret and painful authorities in the they know. That's not make clear no correct. And the Chief Justice there, he was rather doing the state a favor. And did not mean me yes Akatakwanwa or nobody ever out because one of the what you are not and super far one would but even the way it came out a month for if he said Wakunaibo, he said Wakunaibo. And yes, I'm here. For me, Chief Justice and will raise this state as so say, oh, my name for Dino. Because the first time, no Chief Justice, if you know, Chief Justice in New and I said, so bad Chief Justice, he ever told me, I catch him, he said, a down no more farmer, Supreme Court judge, be no more at all.
Oh, I see. I Matthias here,
yeah, Romato. He want the Chief Justice actual letters to those who matter. Say, no, Abia Asenso, you know, and yet. Roman, to be uncovered, a barrier banner, or mobile, not same. As I'm saying, you are aware that is what the guy is doing. And they serve Asenso by the or the Abia cheap. No one who shake no man investors. Yeah, no much. Why? It's wrong.
But Honorable, but who said Ministry of Works and Housing? I responded to what someone can. But when your statement be,
I said, I'm so obedient or respond to when you or a bribe of 40,000 cities or no see a ticket, Obi a ticket will fear. Would you bribe me at the Kotu account? 40,000 cities. India for and Kotu GT bank account to Mamanana. You should shut up before I come out with a lot
but this is a statement from the ministry that a government program all year and I'm more those lands. Yeah.
Government program. Into judges Roman got 9. Judges Roman got 9. You see, the more I'll try to be defended, the more I'll bring more regulation. Will be beautiful. Sana and case about it. No, I have to pray, and the revelations will just come. Now, me and Kasa India for boom, they say he asked them to go and put 40,000 CDs into the account, his account. GT Bank. That the another. Let me say, and as I see, I met Drew, or yeah, I met Drew beer because I can be there where the main function will we are that. Obi, I will say, Yatite, and the Uvi Yatite, Yasi Koji bribe me, and transfers can go to account. Odin said they can trail it. Or no, you answer Yatite, maybe. But everybody should leave. Ministry, no, so yeah. Ministry, please, let me finish. Ministry, yeah. I'll take them on and I'll bring the list of all the properties that they sold. How much went to the government? They should come and tell us. And how much is the market value of the property? A government policy. Government policy, I'm not around this year's road. We young people in our area and Yamigan and Timeka. My ministry is a mistake. Make good money. Because I have a lot of information and some funa homudi or a buying independent abrasu and namuna mutumo baton at the end of it. How much did they sell it? How much is the cost, the current cost or value of the end of motor? And the wine and now motor at the end of my ministry, Omuni Munyansa Gombe Din. Committee, I'll fight for this country. I don't care.
Some information when you know we are gonna favor to produce that information to the special prosecutor so bet me investigate here. Me investigation chair special prosecutor. Information about me chair special prosecutor. Onu kraba me money. Masa. So you are ready to assist to offer special prosecutors our details in now.
Me no obakura me feel, but me and Kasa will put it out there, put it out there. Me and who speak the truth. Me kwasi adwuma e wa ha e ma obi. Omani ngukura so mbeka say government policy. Sikasa no me to Bank of Ghana for the government. We are aware of that government redevelopment program no. We are aware. They say redevelopment program. Menya way dia redevelopment program. What you are near betu. Sometimes minister to them kutu. Minister beat them kutu. Sheni. Omutu no bisa so mutu ade ne say. Now open what ministry nso mo for mo maki. Bomu ya cantonments in Sasi redevelopment. We want to know the owners of the redevelopment, so-called redevelopment at all. They should keep quiet. My that my dini, but ya tell me see a dream woman. Miss Ghana will die for this country. Will not allow anybody to take over this country with tax and everything. A small boy will say, "Oh, the attitude. Why attitude? My to account. Oh, give bribe 40,000 cities. Oh, my to account. GT Bank. When you say GT Bank, or account for one. Bank and to deny, I'll bring the evidence.
Yes, I understand. But before Sobekon, we'll say, I had it on Comedy anymore. I want to delegate. I also say, over supported party now, campaign, I'm a party noir. Just say, Dr. Machopoku Prempe, a running mate. I
want to running mate there. I'll put everything aside in campaign. Yes. Men am car.
I didn't hear.
Yeah, because Charlie, why you two and two party man? Who share who come office? Any part lie. Any the way. Me na nupo oje. Who say he brings the party people together. Again, or anybody or confidence or taste. So who you be a sabi when you be a na po bar. Why you simple crowd and watch any issue? Obi an any be sa. Who didn't call say Yanya Ghana year or shut me home and what you Ghana. This is how I check people. This is how I check people.
Well, he's the only person obey coach my convince us say actively provide everything for the party resources be you will do it.
Yes. Yeah.
Now, everyone can say one kasa in person. No, oh, running mate and come on.
David.
this is grassroots.
Okay,
Because
yeah.
per aba ya 2 years. I just say grassroots ne person. I mean, okay. All right. Okay, but I'm for your name. Honorable Kennedy in Japan and Edin Komo. Just clarity kakra. And I need a about the Chief Justice Dia Okaye and how a report nesia call. And then apart from and also no other issues on Napo, the running mate in some and matters kakra on party NPP or more elections are more prepared towards 2024. Afi abatro bebaso.